Now I'm going to show you how you're going to have more than one sticky note on your Mac desktop. So what you have to do, of course, is to open up the Stickies, which is the app for sticky notes, right? So make sure to open it up like this. And when I open it up, as you can see, nothing really happened. But in the top left corner, you can see next to the Apple logo, I have the Stickies, right? And now it's fine there. So let me open up the Stickies again. So you can see I have the Stickies and I can click on a file and start a new note. So, of course, the regular stuff, the yellow note appears, but if I want to add yet another one, I can click on the file in the top left corner again and click on a new note once again. It appears right below, but let's say that I click on a color and change this one to be green just to separate them, and I have two sticky notes. And of course, you can keep on adding more. You can go to file again and add another note. This time, let's make it pink, right? And that's how you can have a bunch of sticky notes. Obviously, I don't believe there is a limit on how many you can add, but the point is that you have to have the app open or the thing selected. For example, if I click somewhere outside of the sticky notes like this, you can see that now in the top left corner, I have the Finder open. And if I go to File, some different things are now as the option. So make sure that the sticky notes are selected and then go to File and click on a new note. But that's essentially how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.